Kasi nagtudo. Nga to. It's rainy day. It's wet day. Traffic day. Traffic day, guys. Traffic day. Too much red. Traffic. Ang put-putod. Lahat dito dadaan kasi dito sa one way. Diba, guys? Ay, put-put. It's rainy day. It's rainy day. Big traffic. Good morning. As you can see, guys, it's traffic early in the morning. Tesla! Tesla! As you can see, guys, this road is a busy road. This one road going to the other side, guys. This is the hill. It's a mountain. Oh, Tesla! 1 Tesla, 2 Tesla. Ang daming Tesla. It's electric Tesla. I love it. The Tesla car is electric. Yes. This is going to the mountain. Oh, this one too. It's a nice car, red car. It's electric. I love it. The color, red color. I love it. My favorite color, red color. Woohoo! Yahoo! This is a mountain, guys. Ngayon lang ako naglakad dito. It's a mountain. I show you. It's a one way. Lahat mga car, guys, galing sa baba. Dito lahat tumataas. No other way. For shortcut. Para iwas sa traffic. But you need to more patient kasi busy ang street na ito, so too much car. They doing pot even the screen pot kasi hindi sanay mga tao dito nagpuput-putan, guys. Hindi kagaya sa atin pot there's a good. Sa music natin is a put-put. Tesla! Sa Tesla again, guys. Tesla! Diba, guys? So, ito dito, guys, it's a rich people lives here. Dito sa condo. Normal lang na guys, to houses, size houses. But if you want to go in the main part, mga billionaire, trillionaire, quadrillionaire, doon tayo. Maybe one day I'm gonna go there and visit. Yeah, this one is only simple one, guys. Simple. This part is only simple. Yes, yo. Tesla. Again, Tesla, guys. Tesla. Yan, mga houses. Ayan na po. As you can see, guys, itong way na to, ayan, dun ako dumadaan ng bisikleta. pag ako nagbibisikleta. Tesla! Tesla again, guys. Tesla! Too much Tesla. Too much Tesla na car here is electric. Everyone have a Tesla. Binibisikleta ko ito, guys, pag summer. Pero ano lang, hindi ako dumadaan dito. Doon ako sa plat dumadaan. Doon sa plat, pero hill pa rin yun. Pero dito kasi mataas. Paahon yan. Yan, paahon to. Paahon. Bundok kasi na ito. Maganda sana ang ano, guys, dito. Ayun, horse sa dog. Dog. Maganda sana ang view dito pag, guys, sunny. Kasi ngayon it's cloudy. It's a cloudy. At saka yan, wala pang dahon. Coming. Pero parang nagano na. Coming mga dahon. Pero natutuyot na, nag-yellowish na, parang nalulungkot, guys, kasi ang weather pabago-bago. Giniginaw na. Giniginaw. Ayan po, ayan o, baba na po yan o, guys, baba na yan. Nasa tuktok tayo ng bundok, diba? Even 30 minutes na ako nagwo-walk. 30 minutes na ako nagwo-walk, guys. Paahon. Then ngayon pababa na. It's a good exercise. Diba, guys? Thank you for watching. Have a blessed Thursday, guys. Thank you. Ang taas ng puno na yan, no? Hindi pa puputulin. Delikado, oh. Ang taas na, oh. Lampas bahay. Wow. Grabe, no? Laki ng po ang ano niya, oh. Thank you for watching. Ayan ang mga trees growing. Some of the trees have leaves, some of the trees no leaves. Thank you for watching. Ayan ang tulip, oh, yellow leaves, yellow flower ang tulip natin. Thank you. Oh, Tesla din, oh. Tesla na black. Everyone have Tesla, guys. Talaga nagbaviral ang Tesla. You can see everywhere is Tesla. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Love you all. God bless everyone. Thank you. Ang ganda niyang flower. Ayan. Growing ang flower.